I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right app for your workflow. I recommend Pythonista for native tools or Juno for notebook compatibility. Once installed, grant access to files so scripts can read and write. Make sure iCloud or a GitHub repo is set up for sync. This prevents lost work and lets you move between devices. Next, open a new script or notebook and run a simple print. Hello, to verify the interpreter is working before adding libraries or dependencies. You now extend functionality by installing packages. In Juno, use its pip integration, while Pythonista uses sta.sh for pip-like installs. Because full virtualim support is limited, structure projects in separate folders or notebooks to avoid dependency conflicts. Once done, link to cloud storage or Git remotes so code is versioned. Use the editor's shortcuts and the on-screen console to iterate quickly. Debugging inline and printing variables helps you understand state without a full. You finish by testing full runs and scheduling tasks if the app supports background execution. Make sure long-running processes are monitored for battery impact and close unused apps. If an installation or import fails, examine the error trace, confirm available storage, and retry with alternative package sources. Sometimes a small wheel or binary is required. Finally, export backups to iCloud or GitHub so you can restore or continue on another device. This single habit saves hours when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.